Hi there. We're about to get into gear in this turbocharged regular season matchup, and I just dare Jim to deny it.
I don't deny it.
That's because you don't dare.
Whatever.
Offside. The face-off goes to Detroit. Sloan now has the puck. Westland shoots it. Laxinen. It's 2-on-1. Laxinen shoots the puck. Joseph hits the post. Williams. Sloan fires it. Misses. Westland grabs the puck. Zoltar. This shot, saved by Joseph.
You have such a gift for summarizing things.
Williams. He knocked him off the puck. Mitchell. Gaborik grabbed it. Mitchell took it. Caberlet has it. Shatan. Nylander, one time. Rollison hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux won the faceoff. Rollison stones him.
Sometimes it all comes down to the man in the net, and this is the twine minder you want.
Sakarash. Roost controls the puck. Detroit picks it up.
Now, if only he could have hit the net with that.
Roost. The door is shut by Joseph.
That was conspicuous in its averageness.
Lemieux. He gets laid out.
He didn't really lose himself in the moment, though, did he?
Shoots the puck. Rollison stoned him cold. Rollison hangs on for the whistle. Gaborik. Perreault dumps the puck in. Minnesota gobbles it up. Gaborik snagged by Joseph.
He snagged that one with a quick flick of his wrist.
Shatan. Minnesota puts its checking line out. Walls. Minnesota dumps the puck in. Detroit has it. Shatan. Nylander shoots! Rollison turned the shot away. Shatan. Gavey with the puck. Lidstrom. Rollison stoned him. Lidstrom took the puck. Shoots! Rollison, great save!
Right back at you. Booyah!
Shot the puck. Hits the post! Lidstrom takes control of the puck. Fires! Stoned by Rollison. Roost. Hart gets laid out.
There's a hit that fell from old-time hockey heaven.
Yager. Schaefer fired it hard. Yager put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Great glove save.
With a quick hand like that, he might want to take a shot at the heavyweight title.
Laxinen cranks it. Saved by Joseph.
Now the players get a few minutes of rest, some coaching advice, and if they're lucky, maybe someone's mom brought some oranges. And with the mere push of a button, the entire hockey world reanimates again.
You lost me.
Cool.
Stewart. Solani grabs the puck. Neuendijk. Shot quickly. Rollison made the save. QB. Rips it from the left. Yzerman gets in the way. Solani with the puck. Neuendijk gets it. Yzerman now with it. It's one-on-one. Turned away by Rollison.
Try again later, fellows.
Chelios shoots it. Saved by Rollison.
He's a shot-taking, heartbreaking hockey machine, Jim.
Okay.
Herbers jumps on the loose puck. Stewart. He gobbles it up. Stewart gets checked.
In high school, this guy was voted most likely to crush someone in front of thousands of people.
Walls goes offside and the play is stopped. Gavey. Hark. Now, and there's some punishment being dealt out on the ice.
All of you young kids out there, now's a good time to go wash your face and get ready for bed.
Oh, he nails him there.
This boy's got more hits than MTV.
Walls. Shoots the puck from the left. Sloan.
Minnesota penalty to number 56, Ian Herbers, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Perot. Walls gets checked.
Smashed into him like an anvil with an attitude.
Williams shoots the puck from the right. Perot with it now. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced.
Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Perot. Delayed call against Detroit. That's icing. We have a penalty called. A penalty is being called. Lemieux is going off for interference.
Instead of giving guys penalties, how about they just drop slime on them? Hey, it's a radical idea, but it could work.
Minnesota with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax.
Perot. He takes control of the puck. Minnesota sees the clock run out on its power play. Lemieux offside. Nylander wins the draw. Shatan grabs the puck. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Yzerman won the faceoff. Chelios gets checked. Yzerman controls the puck. Solani scores!
First you get the team, then you get the power, then you get the lead.
Sloan. He gets pushed off the puck. Minnesota in control now. Zoltok shoots it hard. Minnesota corrals it. Williams. Lidstrom. Rolison shut the door.
You can tell he wants the game. Big time.
Icing against Minnesota. Roost takes control of the puck. He rubs out Gavey.
Almost popped him back into the balcony.
Schaefer scores!
This guy's got talent coming out of his ears and goals coming off of his stick.
They really clutched up with time running down in the second.
Yep, a 2-goal lead is infinitely more valuable than a 1-goal lead.
Lemieux shoots the puck from the right. Minnesota grabs it. Walls takes it. Minnesota gets a hold of it. Walls backhander right on. Lemieux stops the shot.
Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey.
As well as tons of cool merchandise.
I look forward to thinking up more witticisms this period, Jim.
To bring your grand total to 1.
Yeah, Anyhow, let's get back to the game.
Solani fires it. Rolison made the save. Neuendijk shoots the puck. Minnesota picks it up. Chelios runs over Mitchell.
Squashed him like a bug under a boot.
Shot it. Solani got the puck. Yzerman scores!
Even the most jaded fans have got to love that diamond of a goal.
Detroit goal.
Gaborik.
5th of the season. Scored by number 19.
Shoots the puck. Joseph closed the door.
He saw the puck coming a mile away and planned a little welcome back party.
Sloan. Westland takes the puck. Missed the net. Shot the puck. Stoned cold by Rolison.
There's the kind of old school tending I love.
Fired it. Door slammed shut by Rolison.
The shooter has got to feel a little let down. Just a little.
Laxonen with a chance to score. Joseph denies him.
I can't think of anything to say.
Williams rubbed off the puck. Detroit scoops it up. Schaefer. Rolison denied him. Laxonen. Minnesota beats out the icing call. Yager. Taken out. Laxonen takes possession of the puck. Zoltok. Lemieux gobbles it up. Yager. Yager. Denied by Rolison.
And that's why his teammates always let him ride shotgun after the game.
Gaborik grabs the puck. It's 2-on-1. Perreault scoops up the loose puck. Check.
Quick! Somebody stop that guy before he knocks the whole stadium down.
This goalie's been quietly working his way towards a shutout.
He's getting a lot of help from his team, though, Jim. He hasn't faced many shots.
Gaborik grabbed the puck.
With moves like that, he could win this game all by himself.
Solani. Yzerman grabs the puck. Nieuwendyk rips it. Rolison turned the shot aside. Rolison stones him cold.
He was not going to let that one slip by.
Gavey. Minnesota dumps the puck in. Yzerman has it. Chelios got it. Nieuwendyk grabs it. Solani gets pushed.
If you've ever had a fridge full on you,
Yzerman scores upstairs.
now that's quality entertainment. Eat your heart out, Hollywood.
The Wild
Have done the expected and yanked their goalie out of the game.
And on comes goalie number 2 to try and pick up the pieces.
The face-off goes to the Red Wings. The door is shut by Fernandez.
I'd give him an A for the save, but a C- for giving up the rebound.
Fernandez freezes the puck. Nielsen.
Last minute of play in the third period.
Zoltok. McCarthy takes control. Williams now has it. Sloan with a wrist shot. Saved by Fernandez.
1 minute, he's standing in the net minding his own business. The next, blammo!
Fernandez freezes the puck.
And never in 1,000 years.
Yzerman wins the draw. Kuba shoots it quickly. Yzerman straight arms Mitchell. Solani with the puck. Shoots! Stoned by Fernandez. Gaborik. Kuba knocks him off the puck.
Nails him like a sledgehammer on skates.
Minnesota gets it. Solani runs over Sakarash. Breakaway. Nieuwendyk slaps it. He scores! Top shelf.
It doesn't matter what goalie's in net. They're still lighting him up.
Detroit goal. Scored
Schaefer.
by number 25. Joe Nieuwendyk.
Yager shoots it hard.
Steve Yzerman.
Saved by Fernandez.
And he's thinking, yeah, that save was easy. So what?
Fernandez freezes the puck. Detroit
Is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though.
Kuba shoots. He misses the net. Detroit
Destroyed the other team on their way to a big win.
Isn't destroy a little harsh?
Have a look at the scoreboard.
Okay, so maybe it's not harsh enough.
And now for the 3-star selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit's number